you've been struggling to record with your mobile phone, then this video is for you. In today's video, we'll be looking at the tools that you would need to record successfully with your phone and how to record properly with your phone. Let's get started. One key thing to note when you're recording with your mobile phone is to try your best as much as possible to look inside the camera when you are recording. So for instance, I have this phone, okay, and I want to record with this phone. So make sure that you see where the camera is, look for where the camera is on your phone, and make sure that when you are recording, you look inside that camera. Avoid looking at yourself when you are recording. It doesn't make the video any better. So you can look inside the camera over here when you are recording. Let's look at some of the tools or items you would need to record successfully with your mobile phone. The first thing you would need is a good microphone. Personally, I use this to record my videos. You would also need light, a good lighting system. You can use ring light or this light. Okay, you can use this light as well. And you need a tripod. Okay, you need a tripod to, hold your phone so that you can record steadily. Let me show you the simple setup I use to record my videos most of the time. This is the simple setup I use to record my videos all the time. I have my ring light, the light I showed you earlier, and then the mobile phone and the tripod. Okay, you don't need fancy equipment to start recording your videos. You can buy your ring light, your tripod, and a smaller light in order to balance out. You can also record your videos by your window so that you get maximum exposure. If this video was helpful, drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next videos.